How to use Sora AI. Well, first thing first, Sora is an AI tool that is capable of generating full videos up to 1 minute long. Simply give it a prompt, for example, a field of cats worshipping one giant dog, and in theory, you will receive a video matching the description. Well, Sora works exactly like any AI image generator that has come before. AI image generators utilize a method known as diffusion models. So let's see how you can use the Sora AI. First of all, head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Well, in the search bar, search for Sora AI. You will land on this interface. Head over to the very first site, Sora OpenAI. It will redirect you to this page. You need to scroll down, and this is the new AI video generator. You simply need to give a prompt and it will generate a video for you. So how you can use that? Currently you can see, if you scroll the website, you can see there is no any option to use this because currently the team is looking into the tool and this is a new tool and in few days it will be available. But if you are in here, you can see that Sora is becoming available to rate tamers to assess critical areas for harms and risk. We are also granting access to a number of visual artists, designer, and filmmaker to gain feedback. So once they complete with this, then it will be available for the personal use. That's it for today, and this is simply how you can use Sora AI. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.